Now we're working on the front passenger backrest. This is a 40 backrest, so an individual section like this. The cover's gonna have two straps right here that go down to buckles like this. So we're gonna strap that up nice and tight. It's not a full cap like the driver is, because this one is fixed to a bar on the back side, so you need it to be open like this. So we're gonna cap it over right here. And then these straps are gonna pass down the back side. There's a nice big opening on the back right here. We're gonna drop those straps down. So again, dropping these down the back. We'll show you another angle here shortly on the back side here.